shadowing, an easy way to start speaking the cat language. Foreign language courses in the beginning regularly have shadowing exercises. When a sentence is added, students immediately repeat the word aloud which they memorized from the sentence. When they listen to a sentence several times, they can repeat more and more words from this sentence at a time. With persistent practice, they can shadowing the whole text in sync. This technique can also be applied in learning cat language and cat speech. When your cat says something, you repeat it right away. Initially, repeat what you managed to hear, even if it didn't memorize perfectly. By doing this, you signal to your cat you are paying attention to her. After a while, you will be sure what you have heard and will be able to repeat it. In parallel, you learn the meaning of words from my cat language dictionary. After a while, when your kitten says a word, you will be able to repeat it and will come to your mind the meaning of the word as well. For example, if your kitten says meow, that means I'm complaining. You repeat meow. Then you say that means you are complaining, yes? And you can already say what about you? Next example, your kitten says the meaning of this, I would like to eat. You repeat and add means you will eat later. If you give your kitten to eat right away, you say So, slowly you can form a dialogue with your kitten. There are talkative cats who can tell you novels. You will have an easy time with them. But unfortunately, some are only interested in the meal and the lazing around. You can't practice with them. Meow. Ma. Meow.